Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we will explore Oklo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of January, 2025, our system has identified Oklo as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 8.72. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 68.55% since we first classified Oklo as a buy candidate 20 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 3.43% each day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong short-term rising trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent ahead. In the event of a pullback, there will now be support at the level of $43.25, which may present a second opportunity to capitalize on this movement. According to fan theory, $60.59 will be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 49.35% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 15.76% to positive 40.63%. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline, Big Movements in Oklo Inc. Stock Price on Monday, moving 24.08% between high and low. The Oklo Inc. stock price gained 10.38% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, rising from $41.61 to $45.93. During that day, the stock fluctuated 24.08% from a low of $38.20 to a high of $47.40. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 76.31% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 6 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 32 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.48 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $47.40, while the lowest was $5.35. Currently, the price is 3.10%, or $1.47 below the 52-week high of $47.40, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Today's analysis of Oklo Inc., which trades under the symbol Oklo, highlights several important updates influencing its stock trajectory. Recently, optimistic technical indicators have emerged amidst market volatility, suggesting potential upward momentum for the stock. Investor sentiment may begin shifting in favor of Oklo as these positive signals gain traction. The nuclear energy sector is significantly benefiting from rising demand for clean power. Companies like Oklo are at the forefront, seizing this trend to establish themselves as essential players in the advanced nuclear power landscape. A recent memorandum of understanding with Lightbridge Corporation to explore collaboration on fuel fabrication could further enhance Oklo's operational capabilities, strengthening its growth prospects. However, investor concerns remain due to ongoing investigations by the Pomerantz law firm into claims on behalf of Oklo investors. The uncertainty stemming from these legal inquiries could introduce volatility in the stock price, particularly in the short term, as market sentiment responds to news flow. In the long term, Oklo's strategic initiatives and its alignment with the broader movement towards clean energy may mitigate short-term pressures, fostering investor confidence. Overall, while immediate challenges exist, the company's robust positioning in a growth sector could lead to positive stock performance as the market recognizes its potential. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, December 19, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Oklo an outperform rating with an initiate action. On Tuesday, September 24, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, September 18th, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned Oklo a buy rating with an initiate action. On Friday, September 6th, 2024, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned Oklo a neutral rating with an initiate action. On Friday, June 21st, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Oklo stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the stock receives a strong sell rating from the analysts. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. Today's chart reveals mostly positive signals. The stock of Oklo Inc. holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support will be provided at levels of $38.83 and $27.09. A decline below either of these points will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 27th of January, 2025, and the stock has since increased by 47.64%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is evident from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 6 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages provides a buy signal from 25 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 30 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 87 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gives a buy signal from 80 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $41.91 and $41.82. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to the next support level. In this case, Oklo Inc. finds support just below today's level at $41.91. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $41.82 and $38.78. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $9.20 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 24.08%. Meanwhile, for the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 16.42%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Oklo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings, meaning it is losing money. Even well-established companies can have downturns, often influenced by factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of March, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Oklo encounters its first support level at $41.91. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oklo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of December, 2024, Cochrane Caroline executed an insider sale of 35,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 30th of December, 2024, Cochrane Caroline executed an insider sale of 35,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 30th of December, 2024, DeWitt Jacob executed an insider sale of 35,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 30th of December, 2024, DeWitt Jacob executed an insider sale of 35,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 23rd of December, 2024, Kinsley Richard executed an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 48 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 40.723. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 93,433,604 shares and sold 30,907,766 shares in the last 48 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $44.32, reflecting a decrease of 3.5%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to its significant risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 5 days ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are looking positive, and the stock has broken through its upward trend, suggesting an even stronger potential for growth. We conclude that the current level presents a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Oklo Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. However, after examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 4th of February, we anticipate Oklo to open lower, with an expected decrease of $2.09, starting the day at $43.84. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.